Hello kids. Today, we will learn about basic shapes. Let's get started. Square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle. Connect the dots to draw the square. Now, let's fill in the dots and draw the square. Square. Then, draw a square with 4 sides with the help of scale. Square. Next, let's connect the dots to draw the triangle. Triangle. Now, let's fill in the dots and draw the triangle. Triangle. Then, draw a triangle with 3 sides with the help of scale. Triangle. Now, let's draw the final shape. Let's connect the dots to draw the circle. Circle. Now, let's fill in the dots and draw a circle. Then, turn the hand and draw a circle. Circle. Red color. Draw with a paintbrush. Start coloring the square. Red color. Red color square. Orange color. Square. I love painting so much. Orange square. Square. Yellow color. Color the square. Yellow color square. Blue color. Color the triangle. Blue triangle. Triangle. Green color. Color the triangle. Green color triangle. Triangle. Pink color. Color the triangle. Pink color triangle. Triangle. Brown color. Color the triangle. Brown color triangle. Triangle. Yellow color. Color the circle. Yellow color circle. Circle. Red color. Color the circle. Red color. Circle. Orange color. Color the circle. Orange circle. Circle. Blue color. Color the circle. Blue color circle. Circle. Now, clean up the artwork with a black marker. And there you have it, young artists. I hope you enjoyed this colorful journey with me. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and I'll see you next time on Draw Learn Kids.